If you're going through a season right now of waiting, a season where things feel uncomfortable, where you just want something to be different, then this story's for you. A few days ago, I was making bread in our kitchen, and my 10-month-old baby, Naomi, was crawling on the floor. She had determined in her mind that she wanted to get into the cabinet under the sink. Now, a 10-month-old baby's not ready to use the things that are in the cabinet under the sink. There's chemicals, there's cleaning stuff, there's trash bags, things that a baby can't utilize. Now in a few years, when she's able to and ready to do some cleaning or take the trash out, that's going to be a cabinet that's good for her to get into. But as her father, I can't let her use those things right now because she's not ready. And so I took a rope and I tied the handles together so that she couldn't get into the cabinet. But because the cabinet door could be open just a couple inches, she sat there trying to open that door, and she was screaming and really upset that she couldn't get into it. And as she was doing those things, I just felt God say to me, Caleb, all those doors that you've been trying to open, that you've been worrying about, that you've been letting your mind be consumed by thinking about them, I'm your father, and you're not ready yet. Whether you believe in God, whether you trust Him fully, whether you're walking in life knowing that He's your Father, He is. God doesn't leave us. He doesn't forsake us. Whether we trust in Him, whether we believe in Him, it doesn't matter what we do. He loves us and He's there for us. And He's a good Father. John 10:10, Jesus, who's the image of the Father, says, I've come that you may have life and have it to the fullest. Now, if we believe that, we're going to believe and just wait and trust. And so if you're going through a season in your life where you just want something to be different, where you're just waiting for a next big change or trying to make something happen, say, Jesus, I trust you for where you're taking me. And just learn to trust in God as your Father. He loves you. He has your best intentions in mind. He's not mad at you. He's not disappointed in you. None of that is God. So even if you're trying to open that door before it's ready to be opened, just know that Jesus says that we have to become like a child to enter into the fullness of the kingdom. So be like that child and learn to trust. Learn to wait for your Father to open that door. And I promise, once you start to trust, those doors open up in the perfect timing that your Father in heaven has prepared for you. Have a great rest of your week, and just know that God loves you.